Hello everyone, let's move further with another activity. Here you just have to take the hair from the two different strands and then you just have to fix them at the proper position. This type of the hairstyle is best suitable for the long length hair. Once you have tied up the rubber band, after that you just have to give it an internal twist, then make the two divisions out of it. Once our two divisions are ready, you just have to fix them at the proper places using this rubber band. And once you're done with it, now it's time to build the classical braid like we usually make. You can just pause the video so that you can follow the each step in a sequential manner. These activities are very simple and very easy. Just loosen your braid so that it will add up more volume to your ponytail. After that you just have to fix it in a crisscross manner. Just repeat the same thing from the another end. You just have to tie the rest of the hair. After that you just have to comb it. Once your comb is done, just place the another rubber band at the center area like shown here. Then give it an internal twist and then fix it at the proper position in a zigzag manner. Again, the rest of the hair is to be corrected and placed properly using some of the spare pins like here I'm doing. Let's move further with another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the long medium length hair. If I will talk about the difficulty level of this type of the hairstyle, then this one is medium difficult. You just have to take the two rubber bands and see how I have placed them. One is just above and another one is the below. After that make the three divisions and then the two divisions are converted into the braid. The rest of the hair is fixed at the center using the rubber band. Now give it an internal twist and again fix it using the another rubber band. The rest of the tail is to be fixed with the earlier rubber band that we have placed at the lower ponytail, and now just fix it using this type of the fancy hairpin. These activities are very simple and very easy. Let's move further with another hairstyle. First you just have to make a high ponytail. After that you just have to give some of the twist as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video, then have a clearer look and roll it and fix it at the proper position. For this one you may require a bobby pin. You can decorate it using some of the fancy hairpins. This looks quite nice and easy. Thank you for watching our videos.